Let's discuss a second use of the semicolon. It's very similar to the first use in that you're still going to make a brief pause inside a sentence with the semicolon, and again, you're joining two independent clauses. This time, the two independent clauses are going to describe opposites. Here's a tip for this rule or this use. Be sure to use a contrasting word or phrase and comma after the semicolon. Here are some words and phrases that contrast. However, otherwise, in contrast, on the other hand, on the contrary, rather, conversely, yet. Here are some examples. Pay attention to the independent clauses before the semicolon and after the semicolon. Denise planned to attend college in Texas, semicolon. However, comma, a full scholarship from a school in Oklahoma changed her mind. Consider the part of the sentence before the semicolon. Denise is the subject, planned is the verb. After the semicolon, scholarship is the subject and changed is the verb. And here's our next sentence, because you can use grouping words or you can use transitional words and phrases other than however. Here's an example. A diver must leap in the water carefully. Otherwise, the athlete could sustain serious injuries. Think about it. What is the subject in the first part of the sentence and what is the verb? What is the subject in the second part of the sentence, so after the semicolon, and the verb? If you said that in the first part of the sentence, the diver is the subject and leap is the verb, you're right. And after the semicolon, if you said that athlete is the subject and could sustain is the verb, you're right.